Hey everyone, this is Raja and welcome back to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Unity. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to Google and search for download Unity, or you can simply go to unity3d.com directly. So here we are inside this Unity website. Now you will need an account in their website in order to use Unity or in order to get the license. Okay, so make sure to create an account. I already have an account and I am signed inside that. So now you need to go ahead and install this Unity Hub because it's easier to install everything using this Unity Hub. So simply click on that, download, and start downloading the Unity Hub. Alright, so once you have downloaded that, you need to simply go ahead and install the Unity Hub, and then you will be ready to install everything. Now I have already downloaded and installed the latest version of Unity Hub. So here I am inside the Unity Hub, and as you can see here we have different tabs like learn and installs and projects. So you need to go to this installs tab, and this is where we're gonna install the latest version of Unity. Alright, now here as you can see we have a gear icon. You can click on that, and from here you can choose where you actually want to install the Unity versions in your computer. Okay, so as you can see this is the default location. Or I have actually modified it a little bit. So you can go ahead and select any other location on your computer where you want to install all the Unity versions from this Unity Hub. Now you can simply go to this installs tab and click on add. Okay, so once you click on add, it will show you all the versions that are available for you to download and install. Now you should use one of these official releases or the latest official releases whenever you are installing the Unity from here. Okay, so here we have the beta releases or alpha releases, but they are not stable, so you should not use them for your projects. You can either use this official latest releases or the long time support. This LTS means long time support. Okay, so either you can use this if you are using some older version for your projects, or the best way is to use the latest version or the latest official release. So once you have selected it, simply click on next. Now we need to select the components that we want to install along with our Unity install. Now if you are like me and if you build for Android, then you need to install this Android build support and the required components from here. Otherwise you will not be able to export your projects in Android APK versions. Alright, other than that, one more necessary thing that you want to install is the Visual Studio from here. Now in order to write code in Unity, you will need a code editor. Now you can use any other code editor you want, but now the default or the official editor for Unity is the Visual Studio. Not the Visual Studio Code, it's Visual Studio. And as you can see, I don't have Visual Studio in this list because I have that installed already in my system. But in your case, you will have Visual Studio somewhere like here. You can simply go ahead and check that and then click on install to install that. Okay, that's necessary for you to install. So other than that, I don't think anything you need here. If you want to build for WebGL, you can click on that. Other than that, you don't need anything. So once you have selected all the components, simply click on next, and then it will ask you to agree and done. And now it will go ahead and install the versions in your computer, and you need to simply go ahead and wait. As you can see, this is installing right here. Okay, so that's how you install and download the required components that you need for your game. And make sure to download the Visual Studio as well, because you need that in order to write code in Unity. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So go ahead and download and install the latest version of Unity in this way, and then we can start coding our games. So thank you so much for watching. This is Raja from Charger Games, and I'm going to see you in the next videos.